I'll show you how to make Tequila Sunrise Cocktail at home or in your bar. Hi guys, my name is Ice. This from Miami to the world. Welcome to my channel. Today I'll show you 3 amazing recipes how you can make Tequila Sunrise Cocktail at home or in your bar. Tequila Sunrise Cocktail was invented somewhere in 1930s, 1940s, something around that time in Arizona Biltmore Hotel. And the original Tequila Sunrise Cocktail consisted of tequila, lime juice, creme de cassis and soda. Then the modern version came in somewhere in early 1970s, and it was created in one of the events what was like a promotional event to a Rolling Stone tour. So it's very connected to Rolling Stone, so who are fans of Rolling Stone should be really a fan of Tequila Sunrise Cocktail. But the modern version already consists of kind of really different ingredients. The only one ingredient one connects them is tequila. So I don't know the story behind that, why these 2 cocktails are like connected. Maybe we are sharing just the name because they are really different. As I told you, the recipe of the original version that just maybe some people know these days. So the modern version consists basically of tequila, orange juice and grenadine syrup. So nothing in common with its predecessor. But let's go. I'll show you 3 versions of the modern Tequila Sunrise Cocktail. First, our version of Tequila Sunrise Cocktail today is really easy. It's most classic version, just I'll add a little bit of my twist on it, but technically it's very classic and basic version. I'll explain you where is classic way and where is a bit of my twist on it. We won't need to shake anything, everything is very simple. We are going to make everything in a highball glass, some glass looking like this glass, and we are going to put ice at first. I'm going to use a very nice clear ice stick from Mixology ice. I'll put it straight into the glass, it looks nice, so it's kind of the garnish already. And the first ingredient is of course white Blanco light tequila. I use only 100% agave tequila in my cocktails because I like it better. It has a better flavor and a better taste. And I'll be using 1.5 of an ounce. Second ingredient, and almost the last one, is fresh orange juice. I always use fresh juice if I can, and I try to be able to use fresh any kind of juice because when it's fresh it has a better flavor and cocktails are much better just because of these simple things. And I'm going to use 3 ounces of fresh orange juice. If your glass is bigger, so use 2 ounces of tequila and 4 ounces of fresh orange juice. So let's get this orange to the orange juice. And the last ingredient is grenadine syrup. I'm going to use just a bit, just like half of the ounce or even a bit less. It depends. If you like sweeter, use ½ ounce. If you like less sweet, use a bit less. And I'm pouring it straight on top. And by the way, I'm using homemade grenadine syrup, and if you want to know how to make it, just check this link and you'll be able to make your own grenadine syrup at home. Let's pour some. And a bit of my twist, I use Angostura orange bitter. One good dash is enough. And of course, a small garnish. Moon chip of orange, I'll put it on the glass. And I will put a cherry as a garnish as well. And environmentally friendly straw from Pasta Life. Our first Tequila Sunrise version is ready. Cheers guys! And second, our version of Tequila Sunrise Cocktail today is going to be a little bit fancy, I could say. Maybe it's not fancy, it's more creative and it's more time consuming actually. Because first thing what you have to do, you have to chill, you have to make ice cubes from orange juice. I made it from fresh orange juice yesterday just to have them ready today, and we don't need to waste our time for freezing right away. So I made these ice cubes and I'll be using it instead of fresh orange juice. like I did in the last version of my cocktail. So I'm going to take a couple of these ice cubes, let's see how many we will need, and put straight into the glass. And I also made a couple different ones with grenadine, so it's two colors. I put grenadine at first and then I put orange juice on the top after grenadine already got frozen a bit, but it's sweet, so it really gets frozen very hard. You see, it didn't work very much well, but it really looks nice anyways. So I'm going to put a couple of these on top. Just for the grenadine part of the cocktail. And the last ingredient is 100% agave tequila. For this version I'm going to use reposado because it's like two cocktails at once. At first it's going to be like a more tequila flavored, more tequila forwarded cocktail, because tequila is going to be on the bottom and then ice melts, and when we get more and more orange juice mixed into the cocktail. So I'm going to use 2 ounces of good 100% agave reposado tequila straight on the top of our cocktail, and the cocktail is almost ready. Let's give it a bit of a stir, couple stirs, just to chill tequila, and some orange juice melt into the tequila as well. And I'll put a nice dehydrated orange wheel garnish, give a small pin to the rim, and our Tequila Sunrise Cocktail second version is ready. Cheers, guys! And the third version of our Tequila Sunrise Cocktail today is going to be Martini style. You probably noticed, if you followed me, you probably noticed, because I like Martini style cocktails and I try to make those classics in Martini style. I'm just trying to imagine how they would look like if it would be prepared in Martini glass and served in this glass. So you noticed the previous cocktails, and the same I'm doing today with Tequila Sunrise Cocktail. So, you know, when we're using Martini style of glass, we have to chill it at first. And we are going to do everything in the shaker. Some ice and our second part of shaker inside. Now we're going to pour all the ingredients, shake them, put love, passion, energy like we put in previous cocktails, just this time we are going to shake them. Okay, no more talks, let's go to the cocktail. I know you really want to taste it. This time I'm going to use 100% agave tequila. Of course, that's no doubt, but I'm going to use añejo. I want to make this cocktail a little bit more fancy, a little bit more flavorable. And I just want to experiment and to make a really good Tequila Sunrise Cocktail into Martini glass. 2 ounces of añejo, 100% agave tequila, 1.5 ounces of fresh orange juice, into the shaker. I'm also going to use 1/2 ounce of homemade grenadine syrup, and I'm going to use a bitter tropical one. My friend makes them. If you want to get them, go onto mixologist.com and you can get this amazing bitter. I'll put description in the below. I'm going to use like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 small drops, and aqua faba. 1 ounce, 2/3 to 1 ounce of aqua faba chickpea water for nice foam. And as I do always, love, passion, and energy goes inside this cocktail. Last drop, and we're going to shake. Just I wanted to get all the water that might happen to be here out of the shaker. Here we go, and let's show some energy. Boom! Beautiful foam, you can see. And now discharging the ice and straining cocktail into the glass. Beautiful. And I'm going to put a couple of fresh pomegranate seeds. They will drown to the bottom. And we will have a nice red accent in the bottom of the glass. And now for the garnish, love, passion, and energy. Everything what I put in this cocktail, and the most important 3 ingredients. Cheers guys! Thank you guys for watching this video. I hope you got inspired and I hope you got some ideas how to make Tequila Sunrise cocktail in different light, in different shape, in different glass, in different style. And I know that some of you are really good mixologists and have a really amazing Tequila Sunrise recipe. So please share in the comments below. I would really love to know them. I would really love to see them and to try them. I would be very happy, and please show me support. Show me some support. I'm giving you all my passion, love and energy with everything I know. And in return, I'm asking you just subscribe my channel, like this video so more people could see it, share with your friends, and I love you very much, and I see you in next videos. I'm going to use a very nice ice stick, clear ice stick from Mixology Ice. I am going to use a nice clear ice stick from Mixology Ice. Looks like this. Doesn't want to.